In this lesson, we are going to discuss law of supply. Law of supply explains direct relationship between price and quantity supplied. Supply is the quantity of goods and services which is offered for sale in market. There is a difference between supply and stock. The term stock is used to represent the production of goods and services which are still with the factories or the owners of the productions, and they are waiting for the right price so that they can send it to the market for sale. And when this production is brought to the market for sale at certain price level, it becomes supply. Law of supply is the relationship between price level and the quantity supplied. It explains the direct relationship between prices and quantity. A decrease in price of goods, all other things held constant, will cause a decrease in quantity supplied. Whereas an increase in price of goods, all other things held constant, will cause an increase in quantity supplied of the good. Let's see it with the help of table and diagram. We assume different price level as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and quantity supplied we assume as 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Suppose this is point A, point B, combination C, combination D and combination E. In order to draw a supply curve, on y-axis we are measuring prices, and on x-axis we are measuring quantity supplied. So P stands for price level and QS stands for quantity supplied. We assume prices as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. On the other hand, the quantity supplied is, we are taking the scale 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and so on. Now when price is 1, quantity supplied is 2. So when price is 1, quantity supplied is 2. So this is point A. When price is 2, quantity supply is 4. This is point B. When price is 3, quantity supply is 6. This is point C. When price is 4, quantity supply is 8. And when price is 5, quantity supply is 10. This is point E. So with the increase in price level, the sellers, they find it viable and profitable to sell their products. So with every increase in price level, more goods they bring into the market for sale. And with the decrease in price level, there is decrease in quantity supplied, because the suppliers, they do not find it viable to sell their products at the lower price level. So there is a direct relationship between prices and quantity supplied. If we join this line, these points, we get a supply curve S. This supply curve shows direct relationship between prices and quantity supplied. Direct relationship mean whenever there is increase in price level, there will be resultant increase in quantity supplied. And if there is decrease in price level, quantity supplied will also decrease. And we can see it with the help of 2 points. For example, if we move from point C to point D, with this movement we notice that whenever at point C the price is 3, but when we move from point C to point D, there is increase in price level from 3 to 4. Due to this increase in price level, there is a resultant increase in quantity supplied, because at C supply is 6 and at D supply is 8. This is called law of supply. That's all in this lesson. Thank you very much.